Imagine a world where the paint on our buildings and homes does more than just look good. What if it could actually help combat climate change? That's the fascinating concept behind carbon-capturing paint coatings. These innovative materials are designed to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, turning our structures into active participants in the fight against global warming. Let's break it down. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a major greenhouse gas contributing to climate change. Every year, billions of tons are released into the atmosphere from various sources, including transportation, industry, and even our homes. Traditional paints don't do anything to mitigate this problem. But carbon-capturing coatings are engineered to change that. They contain special compounds that can chemically react with CO2, effectively pulling it out of the air and locking it away. One of the most exciting aspects of these coatings is their versatility. They can be applied to a wide range of surfaces, walls, roofs, and even roads. Imagine a city where every building is not just a shelter, but also a carbon sink. It's a game changer for urban environments where pollution levels are often at their highest. By integrating these coatings into our infrastructure, we can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of our cities. Now, you might be wondering how effective these coatings really are. Research shows that they can capture significant amounts of CO2 over time. Some studies suggest that a single building coated with this paint could absorb several tons of carbon dioxide annually. That's equivalent to the emissions produced by a car driving thousands of miles. When scaled up across cities and regions, the impact could be monumental. But it's not just about the numbers. There's an aesthetic element too. These coatings come in various colors and finishes, allowing architects and designers to create visually appealing structures that also contribute to sustainability. This means we don't have to sacrifice beauty for functionality. We can have both. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. The technology is still evolving, and we need to ensure that these coatings are durable and cost-effective. Manufacturers are working hard to improve the longevity and performance of these products, making them accessible for widespread use. As the technology matures, we can expect to see more buildings adopting these carbon-capturing solutions. In addition to their environmental benefits, these coatings can also enhance energy efficiency. By reflecting sunlight and reducing heat absorption, they can help lower cooling costs in hot climates. This dual benefit of carbon capture and energy savings makes them an attractive option for homeowners and businesses alike. As we look to the future, the potential for carbon-capturing paint coatings is immense. They represent a shift in how we think about construction and design. Instead of merely being passive structures, our buildings can actively contribute to a healthier planet. It's a small but significant step toward a more sustainable future, one brushstroke at a time. The journey of innovation is ongoing, and as we continue to explore new materials and technologies, the possibilities are endless. Carbon-capturing paint coatings are just one example of how creativity and science can come together to tackle some of the most pressing challenges of our time. So the next time you see a freshly painted wall, think about the potential it holds, not just for beauty, but for a cleaner, greener world.